Imagine upgrading every aspect of your life without overspending guilt. That's what Temu enables. This revolutionary shopping destination proves you don't need deep pockets for premium products. Temu's mission is simple: make quality accessible to everyone. From moment you land on platform, you're greeted with products making hearts race. Home section offers elegant furniture to quirky items. Fashion department rivals stores with trendy clothing and accessories. Electronics features latest tech innovations affordably. Beauty products range from skincare to makeup must-haves. Sports gear supports active lifestyles without draining savings. What makes Temu special is attention to detail. Products categorized thoughtfully, descriptions comprehensive, visuals help you imagine items in your life. Recommendation algorithm learns preferences, suggesting aligned products. Customer protection policies, including guarantees and easy returns, remove shopping risk. Global shipping ensures efficient deliveries. Ready to transform your lifestyle affordably? Find link and exclusive coupon code in description and comments. Make sure to like video and subscribe to our channel for best shopping experiences that'll revolutionize how you shop online.